Here's one trick to make the tassel straight, because after we cut it, it still isn't straight. I mean, it's wavy and all that stuff. So you just need to take a hot, really hot water that you have a steam and put it above the steam. With the steam, tassel is going to be straight. You just help it a bit with your hand. After a steam bath, our tassel is straight. But of course it's easier to make it above the kettle, but be careful because there is really hot steam, so you need to hold the tassel with something, I don't know, with long nose pliers or something like that. Because here I have just the MAC with the really hot water, but for my Madeira threads this is enough.